Welcome to your math channel. Here, you learn math by solving exercises in a practical and straightforward way. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment on what you want to see in the next videos. I need your feedback, so subscribe to the channel, which is the greatest distance. Let's get to the exercise. The first step is to convert all the measurements to the same unit. We'll use meters so we can compare them. For letter A, 3,500 centimeters. We know that 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So, for 3,500 centimeters, just divide by 100. Divide by 100 to find the number of meters. In this case, you just cut the zeros. There are 2 zeros on top, 2 zeros on the bottom. Letter A is 35 meters. Letter B is already in meters. Letter D is also already in meters. So far, B is the largest, 65.5. We already know D isn't it, 15 meters. Letter A, 35, isn't it either. Now let's look at letter C, 75,000 millimeters. Each meter equals 1,000 millimeters. So just divide the millimeters by 1,000 to find the meters. Same situation here. We have 3 zeros here, 3 zeros. Cross them out. It will be 75 meters. So up to now, letter C is the largest, 75 meters. It was letter B, now it's letter C. Now let's go to letter E. 0.1 kilometers. To convert kilometers to meters, just multiply by 1,000 because 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. So 0.1 times 1,000. When we multiply by 1,000, what do? We move the decimal point to the right. So here, 0.1, the decimal moves one place, goes here, becomes 1. Another place, add a 0, that's 2. Another place, add another 0, that's 3. Because there are 3 zeros, you move 3 places. So 0.1 times 1,000 equals 100. So 0.1 kilometers is equal to 100 meters. So here, letter E is the highest value. That's the greatest distance. We've arrived at the answer. Letter E is the answer to the question. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and see you in the next video.